It's interesting to see the kind of price action we've seen in recent sessions in light of the ongoing deterioration in global sentiment and downturn in the equity markets. What makes it interesting is the fact that the more actively traded risk correlated currencies are outperforming the major currencies, with the euro and pound hit the hardest over the past week against the US dollar. The expectation in this type of a backdrop would be to see the euro and pound certainly outperforming against risk correlated FX, and yet it hasn't been so. The mystery, however, isn't all that much of a mystery when you consider all of the downside risk in the Eurozone and UK economies that has been consuming a lot of the market's attention. The Italian budget drama and Brexit turmoil have been thorns at the sides of the euro and pound, and on Wednesday there was more fuel thrown at these fires. On the euro side, Italy's deputy PM was unwilling to appease demands for an adjustment in the budget, while economic data was discouraging across the board in the Eurozone. And on the UK side, Theresa May hasn't been able to rally her own troops enough to be inspiring much confidence in the path forward. And so the relative weakness in these currencies makes a little more sense when put in such a light. And with that said, we actually believe this type of underperformance will be unsustainable in a backdrop where risk continues to show signs of coming off. Moreover, we are on the side that believes that Italy risk will soon work itself out, a Brexit deal will get done, and U.S. trade policy will fuel more of a rotation out of risk currencies and into these major currency alternatives to a dollar that no longer is welcoming of safety bids as it once was. Looking at today's calendar, we get an ECB decision that highlights the docket. Other standouts on the day include German IFO readings, U.S. initial jobless claims, U.S. durable goods, and U.S. pending home sales. Earlier today, New Zealand trade data came out and produced a wider than expected deficit. That's all for now.